danger for Durango. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Durango Police Department. An unusual and dangerous situation is occurring in Durango, Colorado. At 2:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, police received reports of random attacks on civilians from unknown individuals. Reports claim that these attackers are showing violent, zombie-like qualities. These zombie-like beings have attacked people by means of biting or striking their victims. There are also unconfirmed reports that these beings have also cannibalized their victims. The people attacked then began to show the same characteristics. These zombie-like beings have caused massive damage to the city of Durango. These attacks will spread to adjoining areas in the next 20 minutes. If you are within 10 miles of Durango, you need to stay in your homes and do not go outside for any reason. Lock all doors and windows from the inside. Board up windows if you have time. Tune into local radio stations for updates on this dangerous situation. Once again, do not go outside, as it will put your life in extreme danger.